Web ODM Lightning. This is a service that is available to ODM users that you can use this cloud-based service to process your drone images. If you don't have awesome computer that can process this stuff in a reasonable amount of time, you can join this Lightning service and have your processing done remotely. So you just upload your images, they come back. This is nothing new. Pix4D will do this. Drone Deploy operates like this. But the Web ODM Lightning is part of the sort of the ecosystem. It was set up by UAV4 Geo, which is our guys that were part of the developers for OpenDroneMap, so they intimately understand OpenDroneMap, and it works well with OpenDroneMap, and they get this stuff. So they have a company that will do this for you. So it is a pay as you go system, free to try. You can get some credit-based system. You can try it, see how well it does, see how the process works before you buy anything. But even if you do go to buy it, it's really quite reasonable compared to other services. So your pricing here is you could pay per map and buy credits, or you can pay $29 a month, billed yearly. So if you're using this all the time for business purposes, it's sort of like Maps Made Easy or Drone Deploy. You got to kind of compare the cost there. But if you want to just go and buy the credits, you can spend. Here's it's nice. It gives you this pay-as-you-go calculator, so you can see what you're going to do. So you do a flight, and you say, all right, it's 258 images. That's going to cost $2.59, right? So very, very reasonable. Now that's based on if you buy the $200 package. So if you wanted to buy, spend $200, or you can even spend kind of figure out the credits, but they're going to be a little bit more if you spend less. But if you drop $200 just to get going, that one job of 258 images will cost you $2.59. So you it's a long runway to be able to do a lot of things, and so it's a good way to get started. If you eventually find you're making a lot of money, and you could try out the other ones and go, but I think they're very, very reasonable in terms of costs, and I don't know, personally, I'd like to support the guys that built this wonderful software, and they're rather than a sort of a large companies like Drone Deploy. Hey, they're great, but if I can get the same results and helping out with a small company, with guys that have did a lot of volunteer work to get OpenDroneMap going, I'm going with them every time. So up to you though. Do your due diligence and figure it out. But webodm.net will get you to the Lightning interface, and you can go check that out. But it's a time saver, right? So you got to calculate, if you're in business, you got to be conscious of your time, and if you can send something off and have it come back later, or pretty quickly, because they have the servers and the computing power that can get it done a lot faster. If you're tying up your computer for 24 hours to do something, and you got problems, right? So this is probably well worth it. So and it's free to try, so give it a shot, see how you like the interface. But I think it's a good way to go for sure. All right.